We have 100 tablets, and this is what the tablet looks like and how they come packed. You get a container of water up to 1 gallon. I have a gallon container here, and I have a nice clear bottle where we're going to just dump the tablet in, and you're going to watch it dissolve just like that. It dissolves pretty quickly if asked. Now you can make this go a little faster by taking the water, shaking it up some, and we'll come back in a number of minutes, hours later, and we'll add it to the container of 1 gallon. What is this for? This is for going out to your car, putting in your windshield tank during the warm climates. This doesn't have any alcohol, so the water will freeze. But you can clean tabletops. You could clean your household windows, mirrors, anything that you want to do with windshield cleaner. Now, the thing is, these tablets are concentrated with the cleaner. You could check online for further detail. We're going to go clean some windows when this is 100% dissolved. Some time has passed. As you can see, we have our liquid fully dissolved. And what we're going to do is pour the rest into the container and add up to the gallon of water. So you can see the color of the windshield fluid. This is the windshield fluid. We're going to clean our windows, get it nice and clean. Does a nice job if asked. Gets it real clean. Great for the car, spring through fall, when frost is over, to add to your windshield fluid. This is an excellent product indeed, but please be careful how you concentrate mix your unit. I hope this product is something that you're looking for to make plenty of tablet windshield fluid.